Hi there.
Hello, what can I do for you?
I was wondering if I could ask you a couple of questions about my eyesight.
Of course.
My eyes seem to be getting worse, and I think it's about time I got a new pair of glasses. Is there an eye test or something I can take? Do you offer free eye tests here?
Yes, we do. If you have a few minutes, we can do one right now.
Oh, perfect.
Come right over here and have a seat. Are you nearsighted or farsighted?
Near.
Would you mind taking off your glasses?
Sure.
Thank you. Now please look straight ahead and read the letters that you can see out loud. Why don't you start with the bottom row?
I, key, J, I think.
All right, let's try the next line.
C, M. Can't really tell if that's an M or an N. And, G or an O.
Well, it does seem like your eyesight has gotten a little worse. I'd recommend a stronger prescription for you.
Just as I thought. In that case, I would like to buy a new pair of frames as well. This old pair is due for a change.
Great. We have plenty here for you to choose from. Would you like to take a look at some?
That'd be great. Hello.
Hi, may I help you?
I hope so. I'd like to buy a new supply of contact lenses. I've recently run out.
Oh, sure. Do you have your prescription with you?
Yeah, it's in my wallet somewhere. I've got it right here.
Thank you. Would you like to stick with your daily disposable lenses or upgrade to extended lenses?
Oh, I like the ones I already have. I'll continue with the disposable lenses. I find it's easier on my eyes.
No worries. You had a 3-month supply last time. Do you want to stick with that?
Yeah, that'll be perfect.
Okay, let me grab that for you from the back. Just a moment.
Take your time.
Okay, here are your lenses. That's 3 months' worth.
Sweet. Okay, how much would that be?
That'll come out to $65.
Oh, did the price go up?
Yes, there was a price change last month.
I see. Do you have an online store by any chance?
Yes, we do.
That's usually cheaper, right? How much are these disposable lenses in your online store?
Well, it costs $55, including shipping costs. However, you do have to wait for a few days before you receive them. If you've already run out of lenses, then it's best to get a 3-month supply right now so you can avoid the hassle of waiting. You can always get your next batch online.
That's a neat idea. I'll go ahead and purchase this batch now.
Excellent. Let me show you to the counter.
Excuse me? Hi, I recently broke my sunglasses. Would it be possible for you to repair them?
It depends. Could I have a quick look at them?
Oh, sure. It's the frames right here.
Oh. These have been through the ringer. It might be better for you to buy a new pair than try to repair these. Fixing this will cost you around $60, but we stock brand new designer sunglasses very similar to yours that start from only $70.
Oh, I didn't realize they were that bad.
Yeah, the crack right here on the side of your frame has gone straight through the other side and all the way across as well. But if you have a glance over here at these new sunglasses we sell, they look very similar to yours.
Oh, these are nice. Yeah, they look exactly like mine. Very nice. Are they made in Europe?
They are. All are made in Italy.
I haven't heard of any of these brands before. Are they well made?
Oh yes, all very well made.
Why do they cost so little? I'd expect designer frames like these to be way more pricey.
Our store has exclusive agreements with many of these sunglass manufacturers, and we also buy in bulk, so that's why we're able to offer them cheaply.
So for an extra $10, I can get a new pair?
That's right.
You've sold me. I'll get this pair right here.
Excellent choice.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye!